Are you going to edit?
Just tell me your name and the name of your company, please.
Hi, Lila. I'm Generosa Litton. I'm with NetApp. We're a storage and data management company here based in Sunnyvale, California. Our value proposition is we help Oracle DBAs manage and store their data at the lowest possible cost.
And
some more?
Yeah. When did you join Oracle? I mean, how long ago?
NetApp. I joined NetApp in November of 2005. I'm part of the Oracle, the database solutions marketing team at NetApp. And at NetApp, we've developed solutions for Oracle DBAs. We have a product called Snap Manager for Oracle. It integrates with the Oracle database. So using Snap Manager for Oracle, you can back up your Oracle database, recover in minutes, literally in minutes. We allow DBAs to use this tool and do backups using our snapshot technologies. They can back up literally in minutes. They don't have to spend their whole weekend doing backups. More importantly, with Snap Manager for Oracle, DBAs can create copies or clones of the database, again in minutes. Without Snap Manager for Oracle, what DBAs would do is they would actually create a copy of the database, maybe using import or export functionality. And if they, let's say, copy a 1 terabyte database, they need to make sure that they have enough storage space. If they need 5 copies, for example, they need to have 5 terabytes of storage. Plus the time it takes to copy, sometimes it takes hours or sometimes days. Now with Snap Manager for Oracle, because we have this cloning technology, a DBA can create clones literally in minutes. They can create 5 copies of the database without using space, because when we clone, flex clone it's called, it just copies the pointers to the database. So you don't really use space. The only time you use storage space is when you make changes. So if you make changes to a 1 terabyte database, let's say you make 10%, so you only need about 100 gig of extra storage space. So
how long have you been doing all that?
Well, Snap Manager for Oracle came out in 2005. So we're now in version 3. It works with 11G, works with 10G, also at 9.9.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So that's one of the technologies we're very, very proud of. Here, we're showing it.
That's powerful. I heard about the company. It's very successful.
Yeah, NetApp has been voted #1 company to work for by Fortune magazine. And me personally, I love working for NetApp. It's a great company. They empower us to innovate, and it's just a very, very good environment.
Well, tell me about your locations overseas also. You have...
Yeah, we have offices all over. In Latin America, we have offices in Brazil, Mexico. I'm not really familiar with the other locations, but I know we have in Brazil and Mexico. And in Europe, of course, our major offices are in France, Germany,
you have London?
and the UK. Yeah, of course.
You don't have the Middle East, do you?
We do have the Middle East, but
Dubai? Are you
probably
in
Dubai?
Yeah, because I think I've seen your company in Dubai before. Okay.
Yeah, so here at Openworld, we have this big booth here. We're showing a lot of demos. We're showing Snap Manager for Oracle demos. We're also showing our Data on Tap operating system, which allows you to create these aggregates of storage, so you can now store larger amounts of database in a larger pool of storage. It sort of is the supports Oracle's grid vision. So we have demos on that. We have demos on Oracle VM, which is Oracle's
I heard you talking about VM. So what do we do with VM?
Yeah, so Oracle VM is Oracle's server virtualization technology. From a NetApp perspective, we integrated with Oracle VM. They will be announcing a new program tomorrow, but are you showing this tomorrow, or when are you showing this vlog?
No, I'll later, don't worry about it.
Okay, so they're going to announce...
By the time you put it on, I will...
Put it on maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
And we'll be okay, but they're announcing a storage program called Storage Connect. Basically what that is they're providing storage vendors such as NetApp these APIs so it can connect into Oracle VM. So Oracle VM can now manage different storage systems. So they can manage NetApp. If you're using EMC, they can manage that. But we at NetApp are participants of that program. So if you're using Oracle VM to manage your server environment, you can use Oracle VM's management framework to also manage NetApp storage.
So do you find that Oracle is a fantastic product that you're using in your company?
Yeah, we use Oracle internally at NetApp. We use the database e-business suite. Yeah, it's the standard. It's the standard for databases and applications. I think what's more interesting is Oracle themselves are using NetApp storage within their own data center.
Oh,
so
great.
we run each other's technologies and we're good references of each other.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Oh, thank you very, very much.
Okay, thank
that
you,
was
Lila.
great.
I look forward to seeing this.
Yeah.